See, again, I can speak from my industry. From a digital transformation, there are three important aspects which we are looking at: volume, cost, and safety. We have very specific initiatives across each of these areas, which we have embarked for 23 and beyond. And there are initiatives where we are catering, for example, volume digital twin is a very important initiative which we are doing. Cost optimization, inventory is a big challenge for us, so we are looking to optimize inventory. And from a safety perspective, oil and gas, again, has a safety angle to that. So we are looking for innovative solutions, specifically in the HSE area. Yeah, and again, if you speak about emerging technologies, there are two parts to this. One is kind of technologies which have already evolved and in the evolving space, and somebody which are very nascent. So if I speak about the first category, we are piloting a digital twin across our plant this year. We are doing this specifically for process implementation. We are taking a plant and we want to optimize the output through that. That is already underway and should be live in next few months. That's a very important. And second thing which we have also piloted is metaverse. Again, lot of talks around that. What we are realizing is that there are specific use cases one needs to understand as per their specific industry. For us, employee related, productivity related, HR related, as well as from a training perspective, we have built a virtual model in metaverse for our plant for new trainees to join in. So these are some of the use cases which we are implementing and piloting it out right now. Again, I was discussing today, and there are two types of industry. One is very consumer focused. Ours, if you will say, is a B2B. For us, consumers are important, but again, we have a dedicated pipeline and we sell it to our dedicated customers. So the data which we are speaking about here is a lot of sensor data. It's millions and billions of bytes which we are getting from each of these sensors which have been put. How do we understand that data? Even if you put an Azure data factory, the challenge is that there are different OEMs. A same data is coming in different format from across the different OEMs. How do you make the intelligence out of it? And what is the platform which you require on top of these data lake is something which we are looking at right now. So that's challenge number one. And possibly another challenge, mostly from a productivity perspective, is we need to understand the processes to the employee level. We need to understand, if we want to do automation, we need to understand the level 1, level 2, level 3 processes. Then only we can automate. Usually we go with a pointed solution, we get a problem and we implement a solution. If we want to do a holistic digital transformation, we need to understand that. That's always a challenge, but that can be mitigated if we understand the processes to the L3 levels. Absolutely, I think I love this event. Super, this is the second time I've been here. The one concept which I really love this time is the networking event, because you spend 2 or 3 days, but you did not get to know your peers and colleagues. So the networking event, I think that was a very novel concept, and I love that.